Hey guys, I'm Vance Jones. I'm gonna be doing the industry research about the three artists. Let's get into it. So first, I chose Matthew Skiff. I really like his designs because he loves to use the '80s references in his art. Um, because in his childhood, he watched cartoons and movies like Ghostbusters, Ninja Turtles, and Batman. So he implements those into his art. I really like that. So, for his education, he first attended college as a drawing major and then decided to switch to graphic design, and he graduated in 2008. This is some of his artwork that he's done. In his career, he first started on a website called Threadless, and this is a place where creators can get their designs voted by other people in the community, and it really helps get designers like it really helps get their name out there, which I thought was pretty cool. Um, he then switched over to Empties after talking to a friend, and it closed in 2011. However, now he runs his own website and hosts his own galleries. So the two art pieces on the right is from his own galleries that he's been hosting. This one is one that he did about Scott Pilgrim versus the World, and it's personally my favorite just because Scott Pilgrim versus the World is my favorite movie. So this is now my new screensaver. Next, we have Charles Williams. He actually goes by the alias Made Up, as you can see in the bottom right. Um, this right here, where it says Turf, is one of his art pieces, and I really liked it. I like the wavy. So he is from the UK, and he attended Liverpool School of Art and Design. In his career, he started working at an agency, but he felt like he was limited to what he could do. So he didn't feel like he could fully branch out and express himself. So he quit and chose freelance under the alias Made Up. And he chose this alias because people in the UK use this expression when they are happy. And he really liked that message. He uses slick geometric designs, and he is also well known for his portraits, like you see on the bottom right. It's a design he did for the company named Barber. He has also worked with Nike, Converse, Adobe, and Google. This is a piece that he did for Nike. It's called Nike College Football. Lastly, Sam Worksiller. Sorry if I butchered that, but this art piece is actually one of the ones he did for the 2016 Rio Olympics, and he's from Brazil. So for his education, he graduated in fine arts at Escola Panamericana de Arte. He also graduated in advertising and marketing at New York University. And this on the right is a turtle that he did that I really liked. For his career, in 2004, he won Grand Prix Award at ESPN. He worked as an art director in Sao Paulo ad agencies for 8 years. He started his own independent studio in 2011. He's also worked for companies like Coca-Cola, Red Bull, and Chevrolet, just to name a few. Throughout his career, he's actually won many awards, and so one of them is Game of Life Nevasetin from one show in 2012. Another is WhatsApp Storytellers from Cannes Lion in 2014. And then he also won the MMA Smarties in 2014. And here on the right, this top right is one of the seals that he did because for a time, he did a lot of artwork with different animals. Um, and then here on the bottom right is one of the designs he did for Converse. And actually, I didn't notice this, but then I took another look, and the gun is actually a dinosaur, which I thought was really cool. Um, However, yep, that's it for the presentation. So, Thank you guys.